Alright, good evening everybody. Welcome to Spain, Alicante. So I just took the bus from the airport all the way over here, and I think it was around 25 to 30 minutes ride. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like. It's really like loads of palm trees, as you can see. Palm trees everywhere. And I do get to have to go to my hotel. I think it's still a 10-minute walk. So the bus dropped me up over here, and the area where we need to go is there. So it's quite 11 minutes walk. It was quite okay, I guess. But really nice vibe. It's like an island feeling, man. The nightlife, the casinos, people selling stuff on the streets. Oh my. Can't wait to explore this, man. Let's roll. This kind of a boulevard over here. Look at the tiles over here. Looking real nice, man. This is really a nice place, man, Alicante. I never expected it to be that island feelish, you know? It's near the coast, you know, so it definitely has some island vibes, but really nice experience so far. We got Burger King over here. So many places to eat, man. So we still have to eat dinner. So there's gonna be a challenge what we're gonna eat. It's always the case, what are you gonna eat? The first day is always weird. As I landed here, it's 1920. So 1920 is still dinner time. So we got all the options, man. We still got, yeah, you gotta eat Spanish, man. So if you come to Spain, you gotta eat Spanish. But man, look at that. Whenever I see palm trees, I always think about vacation, yo. I'm not even sure what this street is called. Oh, we need to go right here. Yeah, man. Bro is really working hard. Oh, this looks great to eat, man, here. I'm glad just walking here is even enjoyable, man. It's like 18 degrees, 18, 19 degrees in the evening, which is really okay. And I think during the day you can just wear your t-shirt and just go, you know, coatless. So you don't have to wear any coats in here. I'm always curious about McDonald's in other countries. It's like what kind of stuff they have. But I never do McDonald's because it's just, there are so many things you can eat. Why would you eat McDonald's, right? So that's the choice you make. Sometimes you just have to make a decision on what you want to eat. And this walk is actually quite nice because let me just pop right through it. Starbucks. These are the places I always avoid, man. I never go to Starbucks. Wow. It's so lively over here. You can just sit outside, you know, sit here and just have a coffee or a beer. And it's enjoyable because the weather is quite okay. It's definitely a lot different from Netherlands. Netherlands is like raining before I left here. Let me quickly check where we are. Still quite a distance. Let me just redo it. 7 minutes. All right, man. We got 7 minutes to walk. It's actually quite okay because you get to see some stuff. And I think my hotel is like all the way in the center, you know, the Mercado, which I assume you can eat loads of stuff, you know, it's like eat like paella, arroz, pinchos, those kind of things. Oh man, look at this. Got Five Guys over here, Taco Bell. Taco Bell actually is like bankrupt in the Netherlands, but it might be like going on again, you know, like another contractor is like picking it up. Man, great city, man. Like looking outside, what I see right now is already really interesting. You can spend here like the whole week. That would be very, very fun. So what do you think of this nightlife, guys? Really nice. Let's pop back to that street after we check in, all right? So that street where we just came from, it's a really beautiful street. So loads of restaurants, probably super expensive, but doesn't matter. You can try it. Let's try it. Look at this, man. Looking real nice. You can have some tapas, some beers, whatever floats your boat, man. I ate like the best pizza probably in my whole life in Bologna, Italy last week. And you don't want to try it like in other countries, like Italian pizza is like one of the best out there. But the pasta there, man, is super delicious. You should really try that when you're in Italy. But there's no way to avoid it, right? So if you go to Italy, it's always like pasta, pizza stuff. Good bank. KUT means actually pussy in Dutch. Pussy bag. Man, who does that? Yeah, but in Spain they don't know the Dutch words, of course. All right, we gotta go the other side of the street. It's actually fun to walk outside, you know. It's like have a little bit of a sniff of this Spanish streets, nightlife. Really nice. Let's walk. We're almost there, just a little bit. 7:30 p.m., which is a really nice time to eat. And the bus ride, oh yeah, we gotta talk about the bus ride, man. The bus ride was super easy. I initially wanted to grab an Uber, but that was 23 euros. And the bus ride was 4.50. Wow. And it was almost no waiting time. You could just pop in and wow. That is really convenient. If you go to Alicante, grab the bus. The bus is like 4.50. Super cheap. All right, this is our hotel, I think, but we have to confirm that. I'm not sure what this thing is. Well, this hotel has breakfast as well, so we can check out the breakfast in the morning and of course try some other stuff as well, you know. It's not only breakfast at the hotel, we also try some new stuff, which is nice, of course. Wow, there's so many people over here, man. Look at how many people there are. Spain is always a fun country, man. Food is good, people are nice, infrastructure is always good. Also, this is the mercado. Oh, holy cow! I think this is probably a mercado which opens up during the day, and where you can like eat stuff, you know, food, street food, those kind of things. We better check that out, man. O turun. That's also a very popular snack or something like that. So we gotta check that one out. I'm probably gonna get some souvenirs. I think this is it, man. This is the hotel. Euro Stars Lucentum, I think. Yeah, this is it. So let's check in the hotel and we'll grab something to eat, won't we? Let's roll, man. All right, this is the dinner, guys. The Kanotier, which scores pretty high on Google Maps. It's 4.0. That's quite good. And I'm gonna start off with a sangria. Probably gonna get the seafood paella, Russian salad. I love Russian salad, man. A little bit of an OG place here, man. It's like in a street. I didn't want to eat at the big street because the big street is quite touristy, and this one look at the street. The street looks really is more old school. Hidden gems. That's what I go for usually. And you gotta think sometimes out of the box. So don't go for the mainstream stuff and just walk inside alleyways, and you will find some good gems, man. That's really a good thing. Yeah. Can I get the seafood paella for one person?
Okay.
Is that a lot? A lot of food? Or?
Bueno, de paella más o menos es así.
Okay.
It takes 25-30 minutes. That's 25-30
okay.
minutos.
It's okay. Can I get Russian salad?
Okay.
Also, and then batata bravas.
Bravas.
Yeah.
Para empezar.
Yeah, for the side.
Jessica,
And it's the first night in Alicante, man. Cheers. All right, man. Patatas bravas. Always good to start this in Spain. Cheers, man. The first meal in Spain. Just pop that juice in the paella. Oh yeah, baby. Really nice. It's piping hot, yo. I also got the Russian salad and some chips. So really nice. I just wanted to have like my first meal paella because it's mandatory, you know. Eat paella in Spain. Ooh, big mussels. Big mussels. It's got clams in it. Wow, nice. Oh, it's really rich, this paella. We'll try it out. Really flavorful. Let's try the shrimp. Wow, it's piping hot, man. I'm not sure if you can get these everywhere, like these kind of sizes. Maybe the more touristic areas you don't get these big shrimps, but these are quite big, man. Oh yeah. Takes a bit of work, but it's delicious. big pieces of shrimp. Look at how big this is. There's a lot of shrimp in here. These are squid. Let's try it out, man. These places are like the best, man. They're like alleyways kind of restaurants. There's no pressure. There's always prices are quite okay, you know. And you don't have to worry about too many things. You know, it's like. Russian salad, always delicious, man. Russian salad. Mostly when we go to Spain, we always take the Russian salad because it's so delicious. And this one is like fresh, man. Look at how fresh this is. Oh yeah. Oh, this big ass shrimp, yo. Holy cow. That's what you want when you come to Spain, right? Pull up the head. Do it the OG way. Dissect this whole thing with the hand. And do it the right way with some juice on the shrimp. Look at that. That's how you do it, man.